Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Here I am going to explain something about the usage of the preposition to. The preposition to is used in different situations. So let's learn each situation in which the preposition to is used along with some examples. The first situation. When we talk about destination or direction, we use the preposition to in such sentences. So let's have a look at some examples. I'm going to school right now. I'm going to school right now. I am going to where? To school. Here, school. School is the destination. Okay, I'm going to school. I'm going to where? To school. To school. Okay. Next example. He goes to market every day. He goes to market every day. He goes to where? To market. To market every day. To market. Next sentence. They go to work. They go to work. They go to work. Okay. Next situation. When we talk about a receiver of an action, we have to use the preposition to. So, for example, she sent a letter to her friend. She sent a letter to her friend. This sentence is in the past tense. Okay. She sent a letter to her friend. In this sentence, what is the action? Yes, the action is sent. She sent. Okay. Sent. S-E-N-T. The action is sent. But we have to look at the receiver of this action. Who is the receiver of this action in this sentence? Yes, we can see the receiver of this action is her friend. Her friend. So, the preposition is to is used here in order to connect the receiver of this action with the first part of this sentence. That is, she sent a letter to her friend. She sent a letter to her friend. In this sentence, the receiver is her friend. So, we can say this sentence like this. She sent a letter to her friend. To her friend. In this way, we can use the preposition to. Okay. So, let's move on to the next sentence. That is, they gave a gift to him. They gave a gift to him. They gave a gift to him. Here in the second sentence, who is the receiver? That is him, right? So we can say this sentence, they gave a gift to him. To him. Here we have to use the preposition to. To him. Okay. So let's move on to the third example. That is, Anu is always writing letters to the newspaper. Anu is always writing letters to the newspaper. Anu is always writing letters to the newspaper. In this third sentence, the action is writing. Okay, writing to the newspaper. Here the receiver of this action is the newspaper. So we have to use this preposition to just before the receiver, that is the newspaper. So this sentence sentence like this. Anu is always writing letters to the newspaper. To the newspaper. Okay, to the newspaper. Here, the newspaper is the receiver of the action writing. Okay? For expressing reasons, we can use the preposition to. For example, he has come here to meet you. For what? To meet you. He has come here. Okay, he has come here to meet you. To meet you. Next, we have bought a book to learn English. We have bought a book. We have bought a book. For what? To learn English. To learn English. To learn English. Okay. Learn English is the reason. Okay. Um, in the first sentence, meet you. That is the reason. In the second sentence, learn English. That is the reason. Okay. We have bought a book. We have bought a book. Why did we do that? Why did we buy a book? Yes, to learn English. Okay, to learn English. Here, so this learn English is the reason. Okay, we have bought a book to learn English. Next, third sentence. She saved some money to buy a scooter. She saved some money to buy a scooter. She saved some money to buy a scooter. Okay, buy a scooter is the reason. To buy a scooter, she saved some money. In this way, we can use the preposition to express reasons. Okay, to express time, we can use preposition to like this. It is 15 minutes to 10 o'clock. It is 15 minutes to 10 o'clock. That means 9. Now the time is 9:45. So we can say it is 15 minutes to 10 o'clock. Okay. Next, they work from Monday to Saturday. They work from Monday to Saturday. Okay. Next, it is quarter to 9. It is quarter to 9. What is the meaning of this sentence? It is quarter to 9. Now the time is 8:45. 8:45. Quarter means 15 minutes. Okay. So we can say it is quarter to 9. Here we can use this preposition to 9 p.m. to Saturday to 10 o'clock. Okay. For comparing, we can use the preposition to. For example, I'm senior to you. I'm senior to you. Which means I'm older than you. Okay, I'm older than you. Instead of saying I'm older than you, we can say I'm senior to you. Here we use the preposition to. Okay, like this, to. To you. I'm senior to you. I'm senior to him. Okay, next sentence. I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer tea to coffee, which means I like tea the most than coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. So we can say simply, I prefer tea to coffee. So let's move on to the next, third sentence, that is, people think he is inferior to them. People think he is inferior to them. To them. To coffee. To you. senior to you, prefer tea to coffee, inferior to them. In this way, we use the preposition to. Okay.